Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share with you my recipe for roasted vegetable soup. On a roasting tray lined with parchment paper, I put one very small zucchini cut in quarters, 2 red onions, 1 red pepper, half of a butternut squash which I peeled and removed the seeds, 3 large potatoes, and a few small tomatoes cut in half. Drizzle everything with olive oil, add a generous pinch of salt and a generous pinch of black pepper. Give everything a mix and put in the oven at 200 degrees for about 40 minutes. When everything is roasted and the vegetables are soft, place everything in a saucepan, including the delicious juices from the tray. I've added 2 cloves of garlic roughly chopped, a generous pinch of thyme, 2 teaspoons of vegetable stock powder, and I covered everything with water. Now bring everything to a boil and simmer for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, use a blender to turn everything in this delicious rich soup. I served my soup with some grated cheddar. You can use whatever cheese you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!